Empty hand.
I have no hands. I'm
She has
hand free
I'm
today.
hand free.
Hand free.
Here we go. Are we going?
Yes. Hold on, please.
I'm ready now.
I have no hands. I'm
She has
hand free
I'm
today.
hand free.
Hand free.
Good morning. How are
Morning.
we?
Morning.
Again. Good to see you. Sprite?
Yes. We're missing 2 people though.
Are we?
Yeah.
Sprite?
Yeah.
I'm missing
3 people, sorry.
3 people.
So,
No Nico.
no Nico,
Yep. And no Harmony.
no Harmony,
And no Ben.
and no...
But everyone else.
So, I have Caitlin, Alicia,
Yep.
Chad,
Yep.
Emily,
And Audra. Yep.
and Audra. Welcome aboard, everyone. Head on down. Good to see us all again.
He recognized me.
Run. Run. Now do the Alicia walk. This is how you walk on a boat.
Get up there, baby.
Get up there and show them how it's done.
Show them how it's done.
There you go. Click the heels. There you go. Good face. I'll zoom in on it for the vlog.
Oh no! Oh no! I do this to myself every time. Hello? Why is it only on 14 seconds now?
Because I just started it.
You'll be surprised, it's a lovely flat day today, but that's a peduncle slap, rightio. So, won't be doing any hostile movement. There we go, that's an adult male.
Front of the boat.
Just remember we are beaming to the
Right there.
freeway, so just need to hold on.
Yes.
Tell me when
Woo! Oh, do you see the other one too?
Yes!
Did you get the fin?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh my god.
Oh, hi.
There you go, that's probably Mum.
Wow.
I'm not too sure what the third one in that group is. Could be a male, could be grandma. Yeah.
That's the fin.
Oh, God. Look at that. Rollo City, reaching out in the distance. You're getting your reaching, you just got to look far afield today, guys.
Yeah, you can see right here.
Did you get that picture when they popped out? Yeah.
We did.
Hello, beautiful.
Another one.
That's the little
I got the
baby.
nice thigh hop.
Taking you out there, hey? You're saying hi. Hi, you mate. Taking you out.
Oh.
What's happened for 2 years ago?
Oh, God!
1,000 animals coming up the East Coast of Australia. This year we are incredibly lucky.
Oh, you showing off.
I want to rub its belly.
Oh my God, Chad, get it.
So what is looking that any animal is a display. One show preaching before we go back.
Yeah, come on.
Come on, give us a break.
Give us a reach.
Oh, it is 240. Oh my gosh. Big. Yeah. So
It's 1240.
it's 240.
It's 1240.
It's 240.
No, it's only 12.
It's 1240.
Why does my phone say 240?
I don't know, did we cross the timeline?
2 hours?
Forgot the one.
We've crossed 2 timelines.
Yeah.
There are other timelines.
Wait, there are other timelines?
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I do have to apologise and say that in order to make it back to Bundaberg in time, we do have to go.
Is this kids? That's kids.
Are we supposed to round this?
Large? Yeah.
Are we meant to?
Legally, for your clients. This is a large, extra large. I think I need a medium. Extra medium.
I'm in. Yeah, the nips are in, I'm in. Ready, dive into this one.
Right.
Not clean. I mean, they're not clean.
Okay, they're all messy.
Two.
This one. Here we
Okay,
go.
this one.
This big boy. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, that feels good. Close. Oh, it feels good. Yeah. Oh, I've been wanting that all day. Yeah. I was like looking at the water the whole time we were out there on the boat. I was like, God, I want to get in there. Can I just jump overboard? Can we jump in? Oh, man overboard. Oh, no. Oh, another one. Oh, yeah, another one. Oh, yeah.
She's like, I'm 16, Mom.
Wait, everybody go back inside.
Back inside. What?